A Prelludium for God. We will discuss a poem. The title of the poem is A Prelludium for God. The poem says, each time God surprisingly comes and shiny teaches us, his sayings are meaningless, questionable, or fake. But when we go ourselves and proudly demand it, truth answers are taken, God tricks decidedly are beaten. What is the meaning of the poem? The meaning of the poem is that every single time that the God uncontrollably comes and teaches us, whenever he wants, whatever he wants, others will remember one, others will remember the other. Others will choose to remember one, others will choose to remember the other. Others will understand one, others will understand the other. Others will choose to understand one, others will choose to understand the other. So, anything about the inspiration or the visit of God are unreliable and dangerous, and for these reasons are rejected. According to these issues, it is not recommended waiting for the God, but it's recommended to go ourselves to the God and claim ourselves the answers. But how this will become possible? This will become possible through the scientific method. The scientific method is the combination of two separate but interconnected methods. First, the experimental method, and second, the mathematical method. Starting from the experimental method, we keep in touch with the truth, gathering as many pieces of truth we can from our observations on natural phenomena or from well-designed experiments. Afterwards, using the mathematical method, all these scattered and independent pieces of truth will be integrated into a unique axiomatical theory, which guarantees that these pieces of truth have been combined into a non-contradictory way. As many pieces of the experimental truth can be subsumed in a specific axiomatical theory, then the more reliable and universal the theory becomes. The principle that I have just mentioned is the axiom that consists the foundations of the scientific method. By this, the same is the foundations of the science. So, this is the way to go to God and demand our answers in a manner that God cannot lie to us. This was the meaning of the poem.